But you gotta turn the music off.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how quick we can do her hair. I'm like I'm going to fast forward, right?
Yeah.
Water, water, water. Show them what we're using on your hair, Nani. Don't block the name. Show them the name. All right, put it down.
Ew.
Don't put it back right there. How was that, Nani?
Beautiful. Pretty. Are we gonna go inside? Please say yes.
No, because last time y'all were a little crazy.
Oh, I'm going to start restaurant.
Yeah, we all do. We can't. All right, say I'm done.
And then
Look. All right, go to the car. All right, we're out. Just in case. And we're out. And the battery's about to die. Great. I'll turn this off. I promise.
That's what I said. Ain't nobody checking for Pizza Hut like that, man.
He copying off of Taylor.
Nah, he was like, ain't nobody checking for Pizza Hut. Yeah, Pizza Hut. So ain't nobody checking for.
Cam. Say hey, guys. Say hey, guys.
Hey guys.
Babe, when you gonna put her new car seat in here?
Oh, I gotta put it in my car. Shoot.
You better not put it in your car.
I'm gonna put it in my car.
Whatever.
And then when I get in my car, I'm putting it in your car.
Whatever.
But you got your joint on wrong. Why you got the
I be
right
doing
side
that all the
facing?
time, y'all. Putting this on the wrong side. Oh well.
Nah, you can't be doing that. And I'm pretty sure
What's
you
the
worn it.
difference?
Because the thing is, you worn it. Since putting
No,
it
I
back
haven't
on
worn
probably, you
this.
probably had
I
it
always
on,
get fresh ones. Y'all be reusing these? I don't. I really don't be using them like that. Unless it's like the same day. Like, but next day, Give me a new one. Yeah, I swear CJ's the best. He's about to give Crew a bath. I tried to clip his nails earlier today. He did cry a couple times. I think I went a little too far on like 2 of his nails. And we also have to trim the hair around his eyes. Y'all see it's getting a little too long. I think someone told us here, told me on YouTube not to do that.
Oh, really?
Yep. So CJ is brushing his hair to prepare him for getting his hair washed and trimmed. All right, ready?
Yeah. We just come out.
So be done with this, right?
Nah.
All right. Now I need you to hold his face. Yeah. Hold his face still. Hi, boo. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what hair needs to be trimmed. Probably like right here.
Yeah, but don't do them wrong now.
Okay.
It's okay, buddy.
Crew, be still, bae.
Go ahead, man.
Bae, I'm scared I'm gonna hurt him. Be
Dude,
still, Crew.
I have them.
I wanna get his ear.
Dude. Easy, buddy.
Okay.
Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy.
Okay. Be still, Crew.
Still.
Still, Crew.
I know mommy thinking all day, man.
Bae, I can't do it quick. Like, are you
No.
kidding me?
Come on, man.
I need you to act like it's Camden.
But the thing is, you got me looking like I'm the bad guy on the camera.
We stopped right here. I think I wowed out.
Yeah, you did. Come on, man.
I think I wowed out. Oh my gosh.
Caroline all messed up.
Oh my gosh. But you're still cute.
Shh. Okay, I'm scared, guys. I'm scared.
You scared?
I got my baby. It's cold.
So, once the water warms up, then we're going to use this shampoo
The doll.
that we got from the place that we purchased them from. See if it smells good, man. Yeah. Lavender scent.
I smell it.
It's okay, buddy. So this would be his second bath, because we bathed him the first day we got him.
Yeah, let me do it too. It's okay, buddy. Don't be scared, okay?
I don't even think he is scared.
What he is?
Yeah, he ain't scared.
Stop very scared. Now, tell me this. Hi, Daddy. Hi.
What's up,
Oh,
man?
it's okay. Hi, guys.
Yeah, what's up?
Guys, Claire's like, what in the world? What is going on, right?
Alright, so we just finished giving him a bath. So he's clean. Gonna dry him off.
Okay, can I dry him off while you hold it?
You're not right, buddy. Look.
Daddy, I got that towel for him.
You did?
Yeah,
How did you get it for him?
because I saw it and just picked it up.
You did?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You better go get in your bed. CJ over here. So as you can see, we're having mommy and daddy night. We're about to watch Grey's Anatomy.
Medical schools often ask applicants for
We love this. We love Grey's Anatomy so much.